In today's 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn how to make a clustered column chart. Step 1. Select the 100% clustered column icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Step 2. Select country, then drag and drop country to x-axis. Select revenue, then drag and drop revenue to y-axis. Select product, then drag and drop product to legends field. Step 3. Expand the visuals by clicking at the edge and then dragging it. Step 4. To add details to the data labels to the column chart, go to the Format Your Visual section, select Data Labels and turn the feature on. Click on Values and then increase the font size, make the text bold, change the color to black. Turn the background on, select the desired color, adjust the transparency by moving the slider or tying the desired percentage. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel, The BI Nerd, and check out other 1-minute Power BI videos.